I want you to take a look at this shirt. That is the pained mug of one Craig Robinson, taken from a publicity shot for his new comedy called Peoples. Now, at first glance, I couldn't help but wonder, what's going on here? Was it indigestion, gas, or some other stomach ailment? Or perhaps could Robinson have been weeping like a newborn baby? A big newborn baby, that is. I decided to go to the source.
Grace, it's been a year. It's time I met your folks.
We have been through this, Daddy. Would pick you apart.
Share the chocolate Kennedys.
Craig Robinson plays a guy who just wants to meet his girlfriend's folks, which, given her old man, is a painful enough reason to warrant his sour publicity face.
Hi.
Good to see you guys. You know, I was thinking that I'm looking at the poster that's back here. You guys are all riding the bikes and stuff like that. The original poster I saw was you, and you were like weeping or in pain or something. You know the one I'm talking? Yeah, there you go. There's the face. Making the face right there.
Yeah, people been
What was going on there?
People been tweeting that face, like they stand next to.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, isn't that awesome? She has some kind of. I think that at that point in the scene, in the movie, I was being chased by the dog.
Don't run. You're gonna set off his instinct to mate. Well, now you're having puppies.
Virgil Peoples told me just stand there and let him, do what he's gonna do, and I just, so I just kind of, okay. So that was that.
That's your epitaph. You don't understand that. That's your epitaph. You're gonna go down in history with that face.
Well,
He's gonna go down in history with a lot of things, including this performance, which is brilliant.
as are you, my dear.
Really.
Fade in the water.
David Alan Grier plays Captain Cranky Judge Peoples. He has his own theories on domestic unions.
You can't give it up. You know you can't tell somebody all about your family. I met a girl once that I ended up marrying, but the first time I met her mom, she introduced me to her and walked out and was gone for a good hour and a half. I'm like, where did you go? I was in there by myself. They're staring at you, you're like,
asking questions that you don't necessarily want to answer.
So it's scary. It's scary.
Virgil's no angel. I can tell you some things.
I'm free.
Get that out of your head. Get that out of your head.
Wait, you saw his man bits?
Every time I close my eyes.